Ginger is magic ingredient. Using it, the dish becomes delicious. Its taste and its slightly spicy fragrance combine perfectly with meat. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by marinating the beef. Cut it into thin slices. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. It will make the beef tender. Combine all together. Let's rest while cutting the ginger. Peel the ginger. Cut it into filaments. Don't be afraid of the quantity. Once fried, the spice of ginger is reduced and it is easy to eat. Heat the frying oil to 180 degrees Celsius. Gently put the marinated beef. Stir for 40 seconds. Then drain it. Continue the cooking on very high fire. Put 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the ginger. Stir for 1 minute. Add the beef. 1 teaspoon of chosen cooking wine. Half teaspoon of dark soy sauce to give a nice color to the beef. Stir for 20 seconds. Cut the fry. Serve the ginger beef stir fry with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The first frying step guarantees a tender and juicy beef inside and well green on the outside. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.
Hehehe